Alright guys, this isn't the motor I fried. I just tossed it in the garbage, but this is the pinion that I tried using, the 12 tooth that I grinded, and it just kept tightening up. But this motor is just for an example. This is the exact same one I just used in here and got 18.9 mile an hour on 2S, but then 3S fried it. These are only rated for 7.2 volt only at 38,000 RPM. So these are good for 2S only, and I'm gonna pull that pinion off and throw it away. But here's the motor that's in the WPL C24, the upgraded one with the full bearing, and I put the stock 9-tooth pinion back on, and I'm gonna throw it in the 9125 and see what we get for test. Let's go. Alright, there it is. I like working on these. Throw that back on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. It's back on. Put your top A-arm 1, 2, 3, 4 in. Screw the top shock mounts in. Boom, boom, boom. Put your wheels on. Put the body on. Hook up the battery. Put the body on. You're good to go. Pretty easy car to work on. That's why I don't even show it. You can do it. 5-year-old can figure this out. Alright, here we go. Speed test 2S, 1600 milliamp, 45C. Bezgar, 120 scale. Bezgar 5, 9145. With that 180 bearing motor. And this all-stock gear. Just a motor swap. Sounds really nice. I got sugar in my mouth. Very powerful. More powerful than stock. Feels faster than stock. Oh yeah, 14.2. That's about 2-3 more miles faster than stock. But this motor can take up to 11.1 volts, so we can run 4S on this, I think. Alright guys, here's the bonus 3S speed run for tonight. I got the little Gold Bat 650 milliamp 75C 3S with that nice 180 motor from that nice store from AliExpress. They've been really awesome since I've talked to them. Just messaging, I've just told them how much I appreciate and like their products. They've been sending stuff nice and fast and no problems. Good business. See, why is it not focusing here? There we go. Oh wow. She got some go. Not cutting out or nothing. What we got for top speed? 19.1. Isn't that what we got on 4S before? 2S? 20? We gotta get 20 with this. Nice long run here. Keep it going. Turn around. 19.4. I bet you'd do 20 on a little bit bigger 3S. But guess what? We can run 4S on this. So we got that with the last 4S test on the Bezgar here, and now we're getting a little bit better speed with the 3S. Nice.